friends, I'm Emmanuel, and if you're new to this channel, guys, you need to hit the subscribe button and the notification so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to watch them, okay? And that is one way of helping us. By the way, guys, actually I'm gonna show you how to install Movavi Suite 18.3.1, which is the latest version. It's okay. So you're gonna go to the official website. I'm gonna go to movavi.com, which is the official website. Okay, then I'm gonna click on video. If you wanna edit videos, then I'm gonna click on Movavi Video Suite, and then yeah, click there. Yeah, it's gonna take you to actual where you can check the description if you want more details. And I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna take you directly to the actual, as you can see, the version. Yeah, that's 18.3.1. yeah, it has got very small size, that is 73.2 megabyte, which is awesome. So it's Movavi Suite 18.3.1, and this is the trial version, but guys, you can buy it from the official website, or you try it for 7 days. When you like the software, you can buy it. But I recommend you use this software especially if you're absolutely beginner to video editing, or if you're an intermediate. Okay, but that being said, let's get started, guys. This is the trial version, so let me just show you how to install it. Right click on it and then run it as an administrator, or just click on open. Yeah, the new data that's gonna pop up, click on yes. Great. Okay, now it's gonna be installed like so. Okay, you're gonna see this now. As you can see, check this. Movavi Suite is already running. Please close the application and try again. Okay, so I've already installed the program, and for you, what you need to do is to actually pick, like I've done, then the further steps to install it, which is very easy. For now, if you're listening to this level, so I'm gonna click OK. I already installed the program. Yeah, that's why actually I'm not gonna continue to do that. And all you need, guys, after installing the software, this is the setup right there. This is the shortcut. Gotta see it over here. So that's Movavi Suite 18.3.1. So right click on the program to launch the program, and then click on open. When you click open, you're gonna see this. Okay, yeah, it's gonna launch. You're gonna see, as you can see, check this. You can edit videos, you can convert videos to small size, you can record your screen capture like I'm doing. If you're planning to make tutorials and videos like I'm doing, yeah, go for this software. It's all in one. It has all you need, guys. Okay, you can now capture from camera, TV, split videos, terms of editing. You can watch videos like the way you watch them in the VLC or other time menu. You can see, you can work with audio, photos over here. You can work with photos, yeah, data, extract, and much more. Okay, so this software, it is all in one, guys. This is it. If you, let's say, if you want to edit videos, I'm gonna go here. Then if you click here, you're gonna actually, if you click here, you're gonna see this. This is the new program that's gonna launch. So I'm gonna minimize this. Yeah, if you click on wanna edit videos, as you can see, it has got the good thing about this, guys. It has got quick mode and easy, or what I call easy mode, and then full feature mode if you have some editing skills, which is where the interesting part is, right? So when I click here for new project, yeah, this is the interface. It's gonna look like this. Is the preview where you're gonna be watching the video you're editing. This is the timeline. Okay, as you can see, this is editing tool, things like that. Okay, so you can see here, actually this is the media libraries. Okay, over here. So guys, let me show you that it's the latest version. Okay, so when you click here and then go to about us, yeah, check this 18.3.1, which is the latest version that's been released in the April 2019. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video, enjoy editing software. If you're using the trial version, you're gonna be seeing here 7 days of trial, but I recommend you buy it, and yeah, appreciate this software. It's amazing. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So start editing the videos and enjoy, yeah, video editing. I hope you're gonna like it, guys. Yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna close this as well. Yeah, that's it, guys. And if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. I like you so much. I'm Amy from Emma Health Studio. Yeah, that's it. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.